Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The World Bank is projecting growth in advanced economies to slow from 2.5% in 2022 to 0.5% in 2023. In its latest projection, the bank says over the past 2 decades, a slowdown of this scale was a lead-up to a global recession. It says in the United States, growth is forecast to fall to 0.5% in 2023, 1.9 percentage points below previous forecasts, and the weakest performance outside of an official recession since 1970. In 2023, the euro area is expected to see no growth, also down by 1.9 percentage points. In China, growth is projected at 4.3% this year, 0.9 percentage points below the previous forecasts. The US dollar is selling for an average $153.95. $114.43 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $184.75 for the pound, while it's costing an average $166.41 for the euro. And to the stock market now, the JSE index lost 3,736 points today, while the junior market gained 33 points. Among the winners, ISP Finance Services, Knutsford Express Services, Main Event Entertainment, Epley Carbon Property Fund, and Access Financial Services. On the losing end were Epley 7.5% preference shares, Community and Workers of Jamaica, Panjam Investments, Caribbean Cream, and Indies Pharma. Job seekers turned up in droves during a 4-day recruitment drive by Sandals Resorts. There were more applicants than positions. More in this report.
In recent times, there'd been concerns that there weren't enough hotel workers to fill key positions. The Jamaica Hotel and Tourism Association says the shortfall was made more prevalent as hotels opened after the COVID-19 pandemic. But a recent recruitment drive by Sandals Resort saw over 1,000 job seekers. However, the company is only looking for 750 workers for its recently renovated Duns River Resort in May.
This is a hotel that I would gladly want to work, and so I said, okay, I'm going to give it a try, and then my interview went exceptional. It was so good. I know they want me here.
And for those who aren't successful, Director of Human Resources at Sandals, Ryan Matthew, provided details on what is likely to happen.
What this process is not just looking for individuals for Sandals Duns River, because we do recognize that we may have more than enough talent that we need when we go through this process, but all our hotels in Jamaica. So we're actually capturing information that is going to allow us to understand that all the individuals who come here today, where they're from, what communities they're from, and also to reach out to them that even if maybe the opportunity is not with Sandals Duns River, but we can also share with them the other opportunities that we have in Sandals. So the journey just doesn't stop here at this job fair, but they now become part of a group of individuals in our database.
Meanwhile, General Manager for the resort, Derek Meany, says the newly renovated Sandals Duns River Resort will have 260 rooms and is to expand to 550 in the short term. He says the development will also be the first in Sandals' chains of hotel to implement Sandals 2.0 initiative, which is a growth plan for the company and a transformation of its chain of hotels. For the Business Day, I'm Aisha Nation.
And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.